In other news this morning, organizers of Nashville's Christmas Parade decided yesterday that Kid Rock will not serve as the Grand Marshal this morning, and that decision apparently was not unanimous. News Channel 5's Hannah McDonald is out along the parade route. Of course, that led to a lawsuit and a whole lot of drama and questions about just who was going to be the Grand Marshal this morning. So is Kid Rock there? He'd been saying that he might come. What do you know, Hannah?
Kid Rock is around. He will not be part of the parade at all. We did just talk to the attorney that represents a friend of his, a business partner of his, the owner of Tootsie's, and they tell us that Kid Rock will be watching the parade from his new bar but will not be participating or on any of the floats. That's what caused a controversy yesterday when he was removed because of something Kid Rock said on national television in the morning that offended a lot of people. He used an offensive word to describe Joy Behar, who is a talk show host. In response, Mayor David Briley, when he heard that, said he might pass on the parade if Kid Rock remained the Grand Marshal, and a couple other city leaders said the same. So Friday afternoon, parade organizers announced they would be removing Kid Rock and inviting Waffle House shooting hero James Shaw Jr. to be the feature instead. Brian Lewis, attorney for Steve Smith, the owner of Tootsie's I mentioned, told us they are filing a lawsuit against the city of Nashville, Piedmont Natural Gas, and others because these sponsors paid for Kid Rock.
The problem appears to be with, I guess, our city leaders, Mayor Briley, Freddie O'Connell, and on that point, it's our understanding that they really don't have any skin in the game as it relates to this. All the security as it relates to the parade are being paid for by private funds, by Mr. Smith's funds. And the city is not paying for this.
He went on to talk to me this morning and tell me that Kid Rock wants today to be about Christmas and about the kids, although Kid Rock did extend an invitation to Joy Behar in the end to come and co-Grand Marshal with him. But they're putting all of that aside and just waiting for this Christmas parade to kick off and be what it's supposed to be about, family. There are a lot of people down here, despite some of the bad weather that's been happening this morning. And Kid Rock posted on Instagram that his parade was rained on, but we know he's around. And we will find out if James Shaw Jr. is leading this parade here in just a few minutes. Downtown, Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.